Have you ever had the feeling someone was staring at you and turned around to find out you were right? Now you can actually put this feeling to the test using a new app created by Rupert Sheldrake and Alex Gomez-Marin. The app is called Eyesense Training and it's available for both iOS and Android. Once you've downloaded the app, press Get Started and go ahead and sign in. This lets the app keep track of your progress over time. You'll need a partner to run the test. One of you will be the looker and the other the subject. After choosing your roles, you'll link your phones. You can do this by either scanning a QR code or by entering a code shown on the subject's screen. Once you've connected your phones, you'll be ready to start the test. The looker needs to stand behind the subject, and we'd recommend that the subject wears a blindfold to eliminate any possible visual cues. Once you've both pressed start, the app will count down and then tell the looker whether to look or not look at the subject. There are distinct sounds to signify both the start and the end of the trial, so the subject knows when to focus and when to answer. When prompted, the subject needs to answer yes or no. When directed to look, the looker should stare at the back of the subject's head or neck. When directed not to look, the looker should look away and think of something else other than the experiment. Each trial is 7 seconds long, and there are a total of 20 randomised trials in each session. When you've completed the 20 trials, you'll receive a score showing how well the subject detected being stared at. This will be a percentage out of 100 based on how many correct answers were given by the subject. By chance, the score would be around 50%. If you go back to the main screen, you'll be able to see your average score based on every trial you've done, as well as a graph that tracks your progress over time. Please join us in discovering whether you can strengthen your sense of being stared at.